Holy no leaf, fresh guacamole, roly poly. No flow, dali, codependency, go, generally, modo for me. My preferred word to describe it is simulation. It's actually a real physical world with physical stimulation. It's but a dream, we are Jehovah's manifestation. Knowing the exact coordinates of Earth's secret location, he has control of our participation. On the dark side of the moon, a miles high towering installation. When that guides us towards the light, fear turns to inspiration, turns to euphoria, astral projection. Fond memories are traded in for reincarnation, while traumatic, sad and mundane next life memorization. Form of fears, phobias come through a migration. Incomplete memories, deja vu, crystal skulls control alien administration. Human and reptilian offset relations, restore order to the system, a galactic federation. Dream within a dream, a matrix within a matrix. All tales, rubber Johnny, alien human hybridization. 30-second clips me with apis twins, my inspiration. Move Earth 80,000 light years across the constellation, placing us much closer to the Pleiades and Orion. Without hibernation, one being used moving at FTS speed. We even received a wild message 30 years ago. The radio signal moving that slow, so slow it arrives as historical data from 80,000 light years from the direction of Vega. I'm in the about to say you. Oh, I'm a bad jazz. I'm gonna make a leave. Not a soul, but leaving your alpha, you done checked his door. Not coincidence, the 15-year-old genius was convinced Fukushima was extinction level events. Quantum universal law where death is now past tense. One earth merging with a second, causing some Mandela effects. I recon, moving us 80,000 light years in a fraction of a second. If you can't see what I'm suggesting, is that the wild message came from the direction that we had come from upon inspection. It took 25 years to compress a translation. Would you know it was an advanced or comparable civilization? Sending a quick radio burst emergency cry for help due to a nuclear disaster or war. They refused to release the actual message or recording, but decided to describe the message in its entirety. Holy no leaf, fresh guacamole, roly poly. No flow, dali, codependency, go, generally, modo for me. Dali, codependency, go, generally, modo for me. Dali, codependency, go, generally, modo for me. My preferred word to describe it is simulation. It's actually a real physical world with physical stimulation. It's but a dream, we are Jehovah's manifestation. Knowing the exact coordinates of Earth's secret location, he has control of our participation. Hello and welcome. On January 30th, 2026, this challenges fundamental laws of biology and physics. Is there life after death now answered by quantum mechanics? 24 hours ago in Chile, in tandem with Alma's array, just confirmed the final destination. Energy can't be destroyed, no degradation. I'm talking about 3I Atlas. On December 19, 2025, not approximately, we detected specific electromagnetic activity. Not a solar flare, a coherent stream of data. The probability of this signal pattern occurring naturally. 0% 1 in 25 billion. Looking at a supposed comet 240 million kilometers away, we see ice, dust, and gas. Usually, the observatory shows a pattern that almost matches perfectly. The electrical rate of the human neural cortex is pulsating with a rhythm that mimics consciousness. When looking through James Webb Telescope, it seemed too complex. As a scientist, skepticism is my first defense. NASA confirmed the spectral density, the implications terrifyingly immense. To the scientists at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, not just emitting signals, also receiving for what it's worth. The source signal 3I Atlas is getting happens to be Earth, traveling at the speed of light towards Atlas, we reckon. The precision within 0.03 seconds. This accurate level of targeting is not a natural mechanisms. As I said before, my defense is skepticism. The essence of life travels with this information. Physicists have spoken about its conservation. Theologians now agree with scientists. What you're about to see is the final analysis. That 3I Atlas has been us all. Until recently, this was classified under high-level protocols. The collection process accelerated, numbers don't lie. The location terrifies scientists to know the reason why. What are we looking at through astronomy? Scientists thought Atlas was a gravitational anomaly. On December 19th, that narrative collapsed. We detected that faint frequency, that collecting souls perhaps. This techno signature is produced by technology, but this was biological, just techno usually. 14.1 hertz was its frequency. The neurotion disreacted immediately. That is the hertz of our sleep brain activity. This wasn't interference by a radio station. It wasn't a satellite experiencing a malfunction. It was not from our break room's microwave oven, the standard destination for such anomalies. The answer came from 3 directions simultaneously, as NASA's Goldstone Space Complex detected the same anomaly. Also Gaia spacecraft in Australia's observatory, independently detecting signals from all 3, ruling out terrestrial interference effectively. The data definitive, we cannot even dismiss. 3i Atlas, this resonating frequency of human consciousness. Sit back and recognize, what does it mean? A piece of rock and ice seems to be humming the same exact frequency of a human mind dreaming. It doesn't stop there, just the first anomaly. January 4th UTC, the observatory in Hawaii looked at the gas around the nucleus. Usually we look for water vapor, carbon dioxide. Instead what we see, a specific configuration of phosphorus complexity that forms DNA in a massive density. This chemical composition forming is a probability 1 in 8.7 trillion of happening naturally. CERN's confirmed a beam of consciousness directed at 3i Atlas. Then a solar flare illuminated the invisible beam of Earth and Atlas that it ran between. And for 17 minutes the Antarctic neutrino detected this energy. The pulse of this matched human rates of mortality. People's souls leaving every 2 seconds. 3i Atlas had received. Every time this happened, the mass of Atlas gets bigger. The physics of this gets even stranger. Has Atlas come to help or represent danger?